Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to add Apple gift card to Apple Pay. Follow these simple steps to do so. Open the App Store on your iPhone, then tap your account profile image on the top right corner. Select Redeem Gift Card or Code, then under iTunes Pass, tap Get Started. Enter your Apple ID password, then tap OK. Then tap Add iTunes Pass to Wallet, then tap Add when prompt. Then finally tap Done. Your App Store and iTunes Pass will now appear inside the Wallet app, ready to use. Just note that this is different from a iTunes Season Pass, which only gives you access to all episodes of a TV show season. And that's how you added and redeemed an Apple gift card to Apple Pay to service on the Apple Store. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.